Hey guys, it's Cameron with Bandzoogle, and today we're here to cover how to sell music, merch, and other items on your band's website. Before you begin, you'll need to make sure you've connected your Stripe account or PayPal business account. If you haven't seen our guide on setting those up, you can check out the links in the description of this video. To get started, we'll go to the Edit Content tab, select the page we want to add our music on, and then use the Add Feature button to add a music feature to the page. Once the feature has been added, you can select from the album display style if you're selling a full album, the track list style if you'd like a list of all your tracks, or the music player, which creates a smaller view for your track list that only displays the currently playing track. Today, we'll be adding an album to the website, so we'll select the album display style. On this page, we can enter all of the album's details and upload the album artwork. In the Allow Download and Sales section, we can set our album's price and enable downloads by setting this to Yes to allow the download and sale. There are several options that you can choose from for the album's pricing. Free, which allows free downloads, free but requiring an email address, free requiring a member login, paid with a fixed price, and paid with fans setting the price. If you're a pro member and your album releases on a later date, you can also use the Preorders field to set up a pre-order and release date of your digital album. When the album is ready for release, the download is automatically sent out to those who purchase the album. To learn more about album pre-orders, you can click the link in the description of this video. After you select your pricing option, you can enter the album's UPC code and upload any bonus files like high-resolution album art, PDF liner notes, or anything else. Then we can save the album. To add tracks to the album, you can select the Add Track button here. Then you can upload your song in WAV, MP3, or FLAC format, and then fill in the track's details like the track name, notes, lyrics, and ISRC code. If you'd like to set a limited preview clip for your track, you can use the Preview Clips option here. To learn more about setting preview clips, you can check out our guide in the description of this video. If you'd like to allow downloads or sales of individual tracks, you can customize these options per track with the download and sale options. If your track is in MP3 format, you can use the ID3 tag options to select how you'd like to generate the ID3 tags. If you've already added in your own tags for the track, you can set this option to leave as they are. Otherwise, you can select Automatically Generate and Bandzoogle will fill in the ID3 tags for you. If you do set preview clips, you can also choose to only play the preview clips when the track is shared by adjusting the sharing options here. After that, you can save your track and repeat the process for any remaining tracks in the album. And that's it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and we hope you're enjoying selling music on your website, powered by Bandzoogle.